Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about solution of pair of linear equation in two variable. In this video, I would cover graphical method. In graphical method, the graphs are 3A category: intersecting lines, coincident lines, and parallel lines. First, solution. The solution means the value replaced by the variable which is true in both linear equation is solution of the pair of linear equation. Here two equations are given: x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Put x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0 in equation first. Put the values right hand side 6, here right hand side also 6, so both values are true in first equation. Second equation, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. Second equation, right hand side 12. Here also right hand side 12. So here 6 and 0 is true in both equations, since 6 and 0 are solution of the linear equation. This is the concept of solution of linear pair of linear equation in two variables. For finding solution of pair of linear equation two variable, here four method is there: on graphical method, substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. The substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method is called algebraic method. Solution are three category: only one solution, many solution, and no solution. First of all, graphical method. First, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, if two or more lines have a common point, is intersecting line. This is intersecting lines. Both lines are intersecting at one point. The x and y values of intersecting point is solution of pair of linear equation. Here the intersecting point 6 and 0. This is ordered pair. First element is always x value, second element is always y value. 6 and 0 is the solution of pair of in this pair of linear equation. This is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines have only one solution, which is called unique solution. Intersecting lines are consistent. The word consistent means have a solution. Intersecting lines have only one solution. The value of intersecting point is solution of the pair of linear equation, x value and y value. The comparison of ratio. A is the coefficient of x in both equation. B is the coefficient of y in both equations. Here A1, x coefficient 1, and second equation A2, x coefficient 2, that is 1 by 2. The condition not equal to A1 by A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. Here coefficient of x in first equation 1, coefficient of x in second equation 2, 1 by 2 not equal to, coefficient of y in first equation 3 by coefficient of y in second equation minus 3. Both are not equal. This is the condition. Comparison of ratio A1, A2 not equal to B1, B2. Then the graphs are intersecting lines. Next, coincident line. The coincident line, the two or more lines perfectly fit on each other is coincident lines. Coincident lines has infinitely many distinct common solution. Here many distinct common solution. Here this point 1 and 4 is solution. This is 2 and 3 is also solution. 3 and 2 is also solution. 4 and 1 is also solution. Infinitely many solution is there. So two or more lines perfectly fit on each other is coincident lines. Coincident lines have many solution is there. Many distinct common solution is there. In coincident lines also called a dependent pair of linear equation. Both equations are dependent to each other. Coincident lines is consistent. Consistent means have a solution. In coincident lines are infinitely many solution. Intersecting lines only one solution. Coincident lines infinitely many solutions. In coincident lines and intersecting lines are consistent. Then comparison or ratio. So in this type of pair of linear equation, one equation is multiple of another equation. One equation is multiple of another one. Here first equation 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Second equation x plus y is equal to 5. See, here equation 1 is 2 into equation first. First equation multiply 2 to get second equation multiply 2 to get first equation. Here the nature is A1 comparison of ratio A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. See, 2 by 1 is equal to again 2 by 1 is equal to 10 by 5 also is equal to 2. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Next, parallel lines. The parallel lines, two or more lines have no common point is parallel line. Parallel lines have no solution. This is also called inconsistent. Intersecting lines and coincident lines are consistent and parallel lines is inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. Then comparison of ratio. A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2 not equal to C1, C2. Here A1 2 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 1. 1 by 1 is correct. Not equal to 160 by 15. That is in coefficient of x in both 2 by 2 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 by 1 also is equal to then 160 by not equal to 160 by 150. This is the ratio of the parallel lines. So here over the all the concept about a pair of linear equation into variable. Their graphical methods, intersecting line is there, coincident lines is there, and parallel lines. So first method is graphical method, substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication methods. So here concluded solution of pair of linear equation to variable. First method, graphical method. Thank you for watching.